Okay.
Hey, what up, guys? NF Gaming, the Originalz and Zyrus right now, and we're trying to get diamond on our shotgun. So, yep,
We're slightly far away from that,
we're actually really far away from it. So,
this is what I got so far, and it just put us in the game.
oh my god. And then it keeps putting us in maps with no shotgun friendly. And this game is over.
Wow.
Oh no, it's not. First round is over.
Demolition.
You guys are about to
you
see
guys
me
about
fuck
to,
shit
you guys
up.
about to witness the history.
Yes.
Orbital VSAT online.
I do have a riot shield.
And they just got orbital reset. Holy shit, dude! Just run up in there. Just run up in there.
Oh,
Run up,
dear.
bitch! Oh. Alright, obviously that strategy didn't work out. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the fuck, man?
Dude, we're lucky Zyrus wasn't recording last game, because I straight up raging at these kids. Well, actually, no, we were raging at our own team, because...
What am I doing? Clearly I need to defuse this
What
shit.
am I doing? I just died. Okay.
Be advised, hostile UAV.
Obviously, we're not starting off real good. Promise it gets better. Nope, not getting better. Because you know I hate when we join a lobby full of fucking tryhards.
God dang.
Frag out.
So we can't have fun. And I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm just going for the defuse, but I know I'm dead. I'm just going for the defuse. If I defuse, I'm a badass. I'm a fucking badass.
Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Can y'all cover me, please? Please cover me.
Oh, defuse
I'm
it.
dead.
Defuse it.
Bomb
You guys
defused.
There
fucking
you go.
suck.
We really just defuse it when we're fucking trying not. We're not even playing.
I'm so
Okay,
dead.
I'm getting raped. I'm getting raped right now. I'm coming. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay
Just,
alive.
like,
I
going
just
hard.
stay alive. Stay alive. Oh shit! Ah, fuck, Nahol. I died.
Sentry gun ready to deploy.
Step up, bruh. What the fuck, nigga?
Bitch. I'm coming right there. I'm on your 6. Okay, now I'm not on your 6 because you died, but I'm right here anyways. I'm still here. Huh, fuck, I died. Go to A. Go to A. They're gonna be defending that. Oh, by the way, I need 5 more bloodthirsties for this, and then need like 2 more revenge kills. So.
Bomb
Oh my
online.
And these
god.
bloodthirsties aren't really. Oh my god, our team is so bad. Tell you what, tell you
Fuck,
what.
nigga.
Oh my.
Step up.
You're dead.
Bomb deactivated.
Oh my
Why you
god.
still living? Say you can shoot at me?
Dude,
No, nigga.
dude, we gotta live like Larry. We gotta live like Larry.
Guardian.
They're fucking in our spawn.
Hostile UAV above.
Are you fucking serious? They're in our damn spawn. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Dude, we're getting spawn trapped right now.
Hostile lightning.
I'm so fucking angry
Can y'all
right now.
get that? If y'all get that.
Nope, we're not getting that. Good thing, dude. Once this ends, we're gonna leave this lobby and go to a different one. Cause
Hostile stealth chopper inbound.
get it, dog, get it,
Cover
get
me
it.
from
I got
behind.
you, I
That's all you
got
gotta
you,
do.
I got
Cover
you.
me.
Get it.
I set up my stuff. I
Nope.
set up my
Nope.
goods. My goodies.
Bomb defused.
One down.
Yeah, what up then? Oh fuck. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
And they're about to take it down.
Oh dear. Oh my god.
Oh,
Hostiles have destroyed your sentry gun.
Oh, I'm right behind you.
No, you're not. I died.
And you died. And I died.
Oh dear, I just hit my mic.
Come on. Come on, plant. Come on, plant. Oh shit!
Come on, I've got
Dude, are you serious? Where the fuck is my team at, bro?
Killer drone deployed.
They're gonna get it.
Bomb is armed.
I knew it.
fire up.
Oh my god, I just got killed by a flash grenade.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
This is how you know our team is bad, guys. When we have more kills than half of our team and we're fucking using shotguns.
Bomb offline.
And I defused it like a boss. And I
Wow.
can't see you like a boss.
That guy's 46 and 16.
And I can't see anything like a boss.
Damn, bro.
Oh my god, dude, our team is so much garbage.
Enemy down.
Damn, watch out, watch out. Watching the flank.
I'm on that.
When clearly we can't watch. Clearly I
Wow.
can't watch the flank because our team's getting raped.
Bullshit.
I got it, just guard me.
American girl.
Bomb deactivated.
Please don't ever do that again. Dude, wait till oh, we still gotta go through the S12, dude, but wait till we get the fucking, what's that good shotgun?
No.
The KSG, dude, once we get the
I've been
KSG, it's
done
gonna
with
be
the
unstoppable.
KSG. I am.
I'm not. So once I start using the KSG,
Wow.
Hostile lightning strike inbound.
Clearly I don't have silent that ninja.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
clearly if my team could defend me, I'd fucking defuse it right now, but
Oh.
my team can't even do that.
2 hit markers. I just got 2 hit markers.
That guy
on
just
me.
raped y'all.
Be advised,
Oh my
hostile
God.
lightning strike inbound.
We
They're not fucking
held it
spawn
for
again.
so long, and they're just about to take it. I'm sick of your fucking shit.
Oh
I'm
shit!
Hostile stealth jumper.
I'm fucking done. I am done. Look,
I'm fucking so done. So done with this
you went
team.
negative.
Look at this
Ew.
team.
You're bad.
Really?
Yeah,
You went
okay.
fucking really? You
I'm
went fucking
positive.
positive by like
Positive, bitch.
5 kills. You're so bad, bitch.
Agents.
Okay,
Profile has not been.
not the best game we've ever had, but I blame the
There
lag
was
in
no
my team.
lag.
There's a lag. You just didn't see it. Okay, finally I get that one. Okay, now all I need is the. I'm pretty sure all I need now is
I
the
need-
bloodthirsty.
Oh, I'm almost there. I
Yep.
need 2 more bloodthirsties.
I need 5 more. I really hope this random is Nuketown. Randy Bob, Randy Bob.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Gotta be
Look at
living like
controls.
Larry. That's why I'm mad.
It's Parmesan.
Oh,
Parmesan.
man,
Everyone call it.
I've seen better. Yeah, but look at Originalz,
That's
dude.
fucking gay.
Badass. Even though it
That
looks like
a
it
kindergarten
looks like a fucking
project.
kindergartner did it. Really,
That
bitch?
looks-
Have you seen yours?
Your emblem looks like something to happen in my kitchen. Or on the refrigerator.
Yeah, because you're still a kindergarten, little bitch. Oh, dude, it's hijacked. Yes.
All I know is I'm about to fuck shit up. Watch.
Oh, but we're playing. Why are we playing demolition?
Did you wanna
What the
play
fuck ever
this,
this is. No, I told you not to, because these are
Clearly,
really
we
full of
gotta try
tryhards.
harder.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Bad. Wow, there's like no people. There's like
They spawn on the other side. They're spawn on the other side now.
Alright, watch.
Damn it!
I got
Getting
diamond.
assist.
Oh, clearly he's
And I died.
dead. Fuck the game.
And I died again. And they're in our fucking spawn. Oh my god. Dude! This nigga's in our spawn! Oh my god, I've died like 6 times by him. What the fuck?
Where is he?
Bomb active.
He was up on top. Oh my god!
Hostile UAV incoming.
Please,
UAV inbound.
please when you upload this video, you get my point of view on that, because I died like 6 times.
God.
By the same dude, just sitting up in top of the corner.
Get moving.
Okay, this is bullshit. Can we go back to dominate?
Shoot him.
Bomb is on.
What a
Oh
bitch.
my god.
He's a bitch. He's a bitch.
Hostile UAV above.
Oh dear. Oh dear, we're about to rage.
Are you serious? Can our team get good? Please, can we be on a good team? You didn't leave the
No.
fucking lobby that we were just in?
Was I supposed to?
Why the fuck would you
I'm
do
about to
that? I
quit.
told you to do it. Look, I'm dead
I
again.
rage.
We're on the same stupid
Okay, I'm
fucking
quitting.
team that we fucking on
I'm
last
out.
time.
Oh damn. By myself. Yup.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Damn
Fuck!
it,
I'm
man.
dead.
They
I'm raging.
pissed me off. Oh, imagine it. I'm ending it. YOLO.
Bullshit.
YOLO.
Bullshit.
YOLO.
You still gotta get my point of view though on that one.
YOLO.
Because that dude is doing work on me.
YOLO.
YOLO. What about YOLO?
YOLO.
No, you already ended it. God.
Well, okay, I guess I'll do it. Alright guys, this is Zyrus. Originalz a fucktard. We just raged from that lobby. We're gonna go play some
Yep.
domination. Yep. Well,
Raged hard.
alright guys, I'm out.